Welcome back to Flagademics, where every flag tells a story. Today, May 26th, the Republic of Georgia celebrates its Independence Day, a triumph of faith, courage, and identity. This is the story of a flag that carries the cross and the courage of a nation reborn. The Georgian flag is a masterpiece of symbolism, a white field marked by 5 crimson crosses. The central cross honors St. George, the patron saint of the nation. The 4 smaller crosses represent faith, unity, and the strength of the people. It's a design that speaks of devotion and the endurance of identity through centuries of challenge. In 1918, Georgia declared independence, reclaiming its sovereignty after centuries of foreign rule. Though freedom was tested, the spirit of independence never faded. Every May 26th, the flag rises again, a reminder that faith and courage can outlast any empire. The Georgian flag reminds us that true strength lies not in conquest, but in conviction. From the valleys to the peaks, the flag waves as a promise of unity and hope. Georgia's Independence Day is more than a celebration. It's a reflection of resilience, faith, and national pride. The flag of Georgia stands for courage and the eternal light of freedom. Because at Flagademics, the world is yours to learn.
ათასი წლის გზა მოვიარე მთები სუნთქვა და მიწის ძახილი დღეს თავისუფლად ვდგავართ მამულში ჩვენი სული და ჩვენი სახელი გაუმარჯო საქერდო